5 fluffy little robins. Listen, repeat, read aloud and sing. कविता ऐका, म्हणा, मोठ्याने वाचा आणि चालीवर म्हणा. Five fluffy little robins looked up at the sky. Looked up at the sky. It was time to leave the nest and find out how to fly. And find out how to fly. Four fleeters fluttered off, but one was full of fear. But one was full of fear. He said, "It's far too high. I think I will stay right here. I think I will stay right here." "Come on," said the others, flying freely in the sun. Flying freely in the sun. So the little brother tried it and found that it was fun.